you'll see a bunch of crowd work clips up on my stuff where I'm just doing that, where I'm either making up a complete history about somebody or I'm hitting it right on the head.
Does that kind of translate to when you're on stage too? Maybe snapping back at hecklers or just
Yeah,
feeling the energy of the crowd?
completely. I mean, like, if you've seen my social media, you see that I have a lot of crowd work stuff. So there's a few where, like, there's one where it's called Matt the Poet, where I talked to this one dude and I was like, you look like you write poetry. And he just went with it. He's like, yeah, it's like, let's get back into it. You look like you play a ukulele. It was me playing with the people in the audience. And, you know, I like to see how much fun, because to me, if they go along with it, it's like, okay, we're in for the silly ride. We all understand that this is going to be funny and fun. There's no seriousness. And then there's the fun in, like, I can get it exactly right if I wanted to, you know? But that's just getting to know people and knowing where you can push them, deciding by their age, their demographic, where they're living, stuff like, you figure out how much they understand the joke, you know? And then if they go with it, it's great. Like, just, you'll see a bunch of crowd work clips up on my stuff where I'm just doing that, where I'm either making up a complete history about somebody or I'm hitting it right on the head.